What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Ford Maverick, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life reminder. If it's showing up on your dash, it's very easy. Now all we're going to do is use these steering wheel control buttons right here, and we're looking right here at the dash. Okay, now you're going to want to scroll down until you see settings, which is the two gear symbols you have right here. And once you get there, you're going to press the menu button. At the menu button, you can go up and down, but you really don't need to, because we're going to go to information by pressing OK. And right here you can see, if you go down, we have oil life. Press OK. Press OK again. It tells you to hold OK. And this will reset it to 100%. It says oil life successful. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, we would really appreciate if you could support the channel by subscribing, liking, or even leaving me a comment. That would help out so much. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.